What's up, guys? Welcome back to Business Buffoons. I'm Azim.
My name's Ahmed.
And I need a haircut. I know. So someone commented on our other video. He's like, that boy on the left needs a haircut bad. Yeah, I know you're right. And I also know who that person was, so that's why. Yeah, okay. Anyways. Yeah, I know I need a haircut, bro. But anyways, just finished filming my product. It's really nice up here. As you can see, we are up here in beautiful Southern.
Let us know if you like this backdrop more than the office backdrop.
Southern California at UC Irvine's beautiful campus. So yeah, basically we have been doing this for 1 month now. So today's day 32. So yesterday marked 31 days, 1 month complete. And me and Ahmed had our meeting today and we analyzed what we were doing and we noted some important things that needed to be changed, and we're going to make these changes. We're going to implement them within the next month, and that is going to hopefully really change our trajectory of where the business is going.
Can you update them on the actual update for what you posted, or did you not post? Let them know.
Oh, you're right. So yeah, I fell asleep working last night and I didn't post. And
Okay.
So one of the issues is that a few times over the last month I've forgotten to post. It didn't affect views at all, but in order to remedy that issue, I'm going to start posting multiple times a day. So if I forget one post, everything will still be consistent every day. So yeah, that's my update. No sales. Ahmed, I'll pass it off to you.
Yeah, so I did post yesterday. I got 700 views on my post, and then I actually got 700 views on both TikToks I posted. Honestly, there's not what I'm looking for, but at least I'm getting views. And then on Instagram, I'm getting like barely 100 views. So at least I'm getting views, but I need to break that barrier. I think today's videos that I film will really get some traction because they just have a better background, as you can see from our video right now. And like Azim said, we're going to switch up the way we film just in general. We're going to put in more effort in our ads. And yeah, anything else you'd like to add?
We're almost at 200 subs, so
Yeah,
thank you
we're
guys
at
for that.
190. Thank you so much for that.
I don't want you guys to think that like we're forever stuck in this cycle of every day updating you on no sales. Like it's one thing to stay consistent, that's important, but you have to also like be smart enough to adapt and make changes based off of your results, right? So 1 month went by, we did what we said we were going to do, it didn't work. I am fully motivated and not losing any steam. We made some changes, we're going to implement them, same for Ahmed, and we're going to be successful eventually. So stay tuned for some good news, inshallah. That means God willing. It's important to have faith in yourself for this journey as well as God. And lastly, we did some product research today. I have more to do. I'm looking for a problem-solving product. Ahmed found a pretty good one. I'm not like fully sold on it, but like I could see myself testing it. But yeah, that's your update for today. Ahmed, do you have anything else you want to add?
No, that's all I had to add. So thank you again always for watching, and for our new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. We will get that first sale soon, inshallah, and yeah, we hope to update you on that soon. Sorry, I started.
That's okay. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.